And now let's look how Romance and Violetta will show us Waltz choreography with teaching count. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. Very good. Let's look once again from opposite direction. And 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3. And now let's look at the same Waltz choreography, but this time in slow motion. We start with preparation movement. We dance natural spin turn. Notice ladies brush. And on last step we do extra pivot. We continue with double natural turn. Notice ladies heel turn here. Closed wing. From wing position we dance double reverse turn. Ladies heel turn here. Again double reverse spin. And now open telemark. Again ladies heel turn. And from promenade position we dance chasse from promenade position. Very good. Let's look once again, and this time we will focus on direction of movement. So we take close hold, man is facing diagonally to wall, we dance preparation movement and we start natural spin turn. First bar we dance diagonally to wall, second bar down line of dance. We continue with double natural spin down line of dance, wing we move diagonally to center, in same direction we dance first double reverse spin and also second double reverse spin. Now we move down line of dance with open telemark, which we finish diagonally to wall, and we move diagonally to wall into corner with chasse from promenade position. Let's thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta. And special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance, YouTube and Facebook videos. Thank you. And today, I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.